Today, let's dive into the world of AI prompts and why they matter. Understanding how to craft a good prompt can really enhance your interactions with AI. As AI technology continues to expand, having this skill can open up doors in so many fields, from writing to marketing. First up, know your audience. Do a little homework on who you're writing for. For instance, if you're targeting students, a straightforward, relatable tone works best. Recognizing their needs will help you create prompts that truly resonate. Next, clarity is vital. If your prompt is vague, the response will be too. Instead of saying, "Tell me about dogs," try, "What are some interesting facts about Labrador retrievers?" This specific approach gets much better results. Don't be afraid to experiment. Play around with different prompts and see what works best. AI is a tool, so give yourself permission to iterate and refine your approach. Finally, keep practicing. Share your prompt creations in the comments below. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more insightful tips on using AI. What is a prompt? Well, it's simply the text you write to tell AI what you're looking for. Think of it like asking a friend for help. The clearer you are, the better the response you'll get. The way you write it can truly change everything. Being specific matters. For example, if you ask an AI for a recipe, saying, "I need a quick pasta dish," versus, "Can you suggest a 15-minute spaghetti with tomato sauce?" can get you wildly different answers. Just a few words can make all the difference. Now, let's look at a couple of examples. A vague prompt like, "Tell me about dogs," results in broad information, but a specific one like, "What are the best dog breeds for families?" gives you focused and useful insights. It's all about the details. To craft better prompts, remember a few tips. Use clear language, ask open-ended questions, and provide some context. This helps the AI understand what you really want. So go ahead, try it out. Experiment with your prompts and see how the responses improve. Share your experiences in the comments. The journey of creativity begins with our words. Being specific in our prompts can really unlock your imagination, turning simple requests into extraordinary artistic visions. Imagine the excitement when you nail that perfect prompt. Now consider a vague prompt like, "Draw a cat." Sure, it's a start, but it lacks depth. What kind of cat are we talking about? Is it playful or sleepy? Where is it lounging? This ambiguity can stifle creativity and lead to a blank canvas. Let's transform that vague request into something vibrant. Draw a fluffy orange cat wearing sunglasses on the beach at sunset. Just picture it. This imagery sparks a whole world of ideas, colors, and emotions, providing a clear pathway for your creativity to flow. So, why not encourage your friends and viewers to craft their own elaborative prompts? The more specific they are, the more exciting their results will be. Challenge yourself and those around you. Create a unique drawing prompt today. Share your imaginative ideas in the comments, and let's explore the magic of specificity together. In today's video, I will share the importance of adding context in our communications. You might be surprised at just how much context can enhance our messages, making them clearer and more effective. Context is all about the background or situation surrounding a message. When we provide context, we help others understand what we really mean. Without it, our words can lead to confusion and misinterpretation. Picture this. You're at a coffee shop, and someone tells you to write a poem. That's vague, right? But if they said, "Write a funny 4-line poem about coffee on a Monday morning," suddenly, you know exactly what they're looking for. This simple change makes a huge difference. By adding those specifics, the communication transforms from something vague into a clear request. It shows just how important context is in effective communication. So next time you express yourself, remember to sprinkle in some context. It's a small touch that can lead to much bigger connections. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time. Welcome, curious minds. Today, we're diving into the quirky world of quantum physics, a field so strange it makes even the most logical brains do a double take. Imagine particles dancing around like they're at a wild party, and what's more, they don't always follow the rules we're used to. Let's break it down. Quantum physics studies the behavior of particles at the tiniest scales. Think atoms, electrons, and photons. Here, the rules of classical physics take a back seat, and bizarre behaviors like entanglement and superposition come to play. Picture entangled particles as best buddies who always know what the other is doing, no matter how far apart they are. Now, Why add humor? Science can be intimidating. A sprinkle of humor makes complex ideas relatable. Imagine particles doing the cha-cha in sync, quantum entanglements, unexpected dance partners. Here's a fun tweet for you. Why don't physicists trust atoms? Because they make up everything. Just like my excuses for not understanding quantum physics. Hashtag quantum giggles. So there you have it. Quantum physics is not just about heavy calculations. It's a wild ride filled with mystery and laughter. Keep questioning, stay curious, and remember, even the weirdest science can spark joy. Today, we're diving into an effective strategy to work with AI, breaking tasks into manageable steps. This is a game changer for optimizing your results. Let's start with a simple request to AI. You can ask it to list 5 healthy foods. For instance, saying list 5 healthy foods can yield options like quinoa, kale, and salmon. These choices are not only nutritious, but also delicious, forming a solid foundation for our meal planning. Next, we take those foods and transform them into a daily meal plan. Simply prompt AI with "turn them into a daily meal plan." In seconds, it organizes breakfast, lunch, and dinner around those yummy choices, making your week simpler and healthier. Imagine starting your mornings with a smoothie bowl featuring that fresh kale. By breaking tasks into steps, you empower AI to give you tailored results. Try this method with different topics and watch how it enhances your experience. If you found this tip useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Did you ever stop to think about how powerful examples can be in our daily conversations? Using examples makes our ideas clearer, giving listeners something relatable to connect with. They help us understand everything, from complicated topics to simple everyday stories. Now, let's dive into the different types of examples we can use. There's the personal anecdote, where you share a little slice of your life. Maybe it's a funny moment or a lesson learned. Then we have hypothetical scenarios that help illustrate a point by imagining what-if situations. And finally, there are case studies, real-life stories that provide concrete evidence of a concept in action. When you share examples, keep it relevant and crystal clear. You want your audience to see the connection without feeling lost. So, remember, incorporating examples can elevate your communication game. Share your experiences in the comments below, and let's learn from each other. You are a travel guide. Let's embark on an exciting journey through hidden gems that many travelers overlook. Imagine discovering a quaint village nestled in the mountains, far removed from the bustling tourist spots. Picture yourself meandering through charming cobblestone streets, sampling local delicacies like freshly made pastries and soaking in the warmth of friendly locals. Each destination has a story to tell, one that reflects its unique culture and rich history. This adventure will lead you to places that spark joy and inspire the wanderer within you. As your travel guide, I'll share essential tips to enhance your travels. Always do a little research on local customs to show respect for their traditions. Pack light for ease and flexibility, and be open to unexpected adventures. Engage with the community, whether it's joining a dance or sharing a meal. These insights can really transform ordinary trips into extraordinary memories that you'll cherish forever. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your next adventure today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own travel experiences below. Remember, the world is full of wonders just waiting to be explored. The importance of constraints and creativity transcends fields, unleashing innovation and skill in unexpected ways. So, what are constraints? Simply put, constraints are those limitations that guide creativity. They can come in many forms, like rules, themes, or even word counts that inspire new ideas by nudging you to think outside the box. Using constraints comes with a whole bunch of benefits. They encourage you to focus, enhance your problem-solving skills, and often lead to quicker decision-making. You'll find that unique solutions arise when you challenge yourself to work within specific boundaries, enriching the entire creative process. Let's look at some relatable examples. Artists and writers have long used constraints to fuel creativity. Think of haikus, where the strict syllable count sparks imaginative word choices. Filmmakers often face budget limits that compel them to tell stories in innovative ways. In business, strict timelines can lead to rapid prototyping, resulting in fresh ideas that might never come to light without these constraints. So here's the deal. Embrace constraints as your creative allies. Challenge yourself today to create something within a limit. Share your experience in the comments, and let's explore how these boundaries can transform our creative journeys together. Have you ever noticed how the first attempt at creating something rarely hits the mark? It's completely normal and a part of the creative journey. Finding the right words or ideas can be challenging, but that's where iteration and refinement come into play. When I look back at my initial drafts, it's almost comical how far I've come. Each first draft often feels rough and unpolished, like a stone that needs some serious chiseling. Each project I tackle teaches me that embracing those imperfections is crucial. So, what does it mean to iterate? It's about making adjustments, seeking feedback, and continually honing your work until it shines. Here are a couple of practical tips. First, take a break from your work. A fresh perspective can work wonders. Then ask trusted friends for their insights. You'd be surprised at how little tweaks can transform your message and vibe. So remember, refining your work is a crucial step. Embrace it, and you'll create something truly remarkable. Mixing creativity with clarity when crafting AI prompts is like finding the perfect balance in a smoothie. You want the flavors to pop, but they also need to blend well together. When we say clarity, we mean having a clear request that guides the AI. Creativity, on the other hand, adds that spark to make your prompt engaging. Take, for instance, the prompt. Describe a future city where humans and robots live together in peace. This is a fantastic example. It's clear enough for the AI to understand what's being asked while allowing room for creative twists. The clarity sets the scene, while creativity invites the AI to fill it with incredible detail and imagination. By using prompts like this, we can open up a world of possibilities. Vivid imagery brings our ideas to life, and the AI can explore complex scenarios. Remember, striking a balance between creativity and clarity in your prompts can lead to exciting and unexpected results. So don't hesitate to experiment. Hey there. Today, we're diving into tip 10. Practice, practice, practice. The truth is, the more prompts you write, the better you become. It's all about getting those creative juices flowing. So what does practicing prompts actually mean? Well, it involves regularly putting pen to paper or fingers to keyboard to explore various ideas and narratives. Each time you write, you build skills and boost your confidence. Whether you set a timer for some quick writing or tackle different themes, the key is just to keep moving forward. Now, let's chat about the benefits of consistent practice. When you regularly churn out prompts, you become better at generating ideas. You articulate your thoughts more clearly and become familiar with different writing styles. Many seasoned writers can vouch for it. Practicing regularly transform their skills in remarkable ways. Lastly, here are some easy tips for effective practice. Carve out dedicated time each day. Try experimenting with different styles and don't hesitate to share your prompts for feedback. So, get started today. Remember, every writer was once a beginner. Today, we're diving into the power of clear communication. Being specific makes a huge difference in how effectively we convey our thoughts. Think about it. When someone says, "Let's meet later," it's a bit vague. But if they say, "Let's meet at 3 p.m. at the coffee shop," that's much clearer, right? Now, let's talk about context. Understanding where your ideas fit into the bigger picture can make everything click. Consider how your message relates to everyday experiences. This connection helps your audience relate better. Next up is defining your style. Everyone has a unique voice, so think about what resonates with you and your audience. Are you warm and friendly, or do you prefer a more straightforward approach? Now let's break it down step by step. First, identify your topic. Second, gather your thoughts. Lastly, practice delivering your message. Real-life examples, like how a viral video kept things simple and relatable, show that clarity wins. In closing, remember to put these tips into action. Dive in, refine your style, and connect with your audience. Share your thoughts in the comments. Today, I'm excited to share a crucial tip about boosting your creativity, saving your best prompts. This simple practice can make a significant difference in your content creation process. Imagine having a treasure trove of ideas right at your fingertips whenever you're feeling stuck or uninspired. A personal library is a collection of prompts that inspire your creativity. It's like having a toolkit filled with ideas ready for use whenever you need that extra spark to jumpstart your writing or brainstorming sessions. It allows you to revisit those amazing nuggets of inspiration without having to start from scratch each time. By reusing and adapting prompts, you not only save time, but also develop a unique voice. It allows you to explore different angles and perspectives on a topic, enhancing your content quality. It's a smart strategy to build a consistent style across your work, making your messages resonate more deeply. To get started, set aside a little time regularly to jot down prompts that resonate with you. Organize them in a way that's easy to access, whether digitally or physically. This way, you can easily tap into your inspiration whenever you need it. Remember, your personal library can be a game changer. Start saving those prompts today and watch your creativity flourish. Happy creating. Hey there. Today we're diving into how to supercharge your prompting techniques using some innovative AI tools that can really unlock your creativity and boost your efficiency. Now, let's talk about why effective prompting is so crucial. When it comes to using AI, the right prompt can make all the difference. Whether you're a content creator, a programmer, or an educator, mastering this skill can enhance your projects. Good prompts can save you time and help you get better results from your AI interactions, making the whole experience much more productive and enjoyable. In the description below, I've included links to some powerful AI tools designed to elevate your prompting game. Each one comes with unique features tailored to different tasks. I'll explain how each tool can benefit your work and why you should consider giving them a try. Trust me, these could be game changers for you. Thanks for hanging out with me. Don't forget to check out the links below, try out these tools, and supercharge your prompting today. If you enjoyed this, like, subscribe, and share your experiences in the comments. I'm excited to share that the full video guide is just below our channel name, and you can also find it in the pinned comment. It's packed with helpful insights that I think you'll really enjoy. I encourage you to watch it thoroughly and share it with friends who might find it useful. Engaging with our content not only helps you learn, but also supports our community in growing together. When you watch and share, you're not just getting information, you're being part of a movement. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Your likes motivate us to create even more value for you. Also, make sure to subscribe. This way, you'll be notified about all future updates, tips, and secrets coming your way. Trust me, you won't want to miss them. Join us at Future Frame AI, where we strive to grow smarter together. Your participation means the world to us. Thank you for being part of our fantastic community. Let's embark on this amazing journey. Are you ready to get better results from AI? Let's dive in. First up, tip 1. Be specific. When you ask an AI something, don't just say a cat. Instead, go for something like a fluffy orange cat with sunglasses. Trust me, the more detail you give, the more creative and interesting the output will be. Generic prompts lead to bland results, while specifics open up a world of possibilities. Now move on to tip 2. Add context. Instead of simply saying, write a poem, add a twist. Try, write a funny poem about coffee on Monday morning. This sets the stage for a delightful and relatable response, making it way more engaging. Finally, tip 3. Define style. Whether you want a blog post, a tweet, or something Shakespearean, let the AI know. The clearer your instructions, the closer the results will match your vision. So, give these tips a whirl and watch your AI interactions transform. Check out the full video linked below for more insights.